Hello everyone, this is my old compact laptop. It had its hinge broken, as you can see, due to aging or heating. So let's see how to repair it. First, let's open the laptop. Now I have removed every screws. As you can see, the plastic is broken there. Now I will remove every component in it. Interesting thing here, because there is no cooling fan here, and instead of copper they have used aluminium. If you know why, tell me in the comments section. Now let me separate the display from body. Here you can see the broken parts. Maybe due to aging of the plastic or due to constantly heating, the plastic may have become brittle, so it broken. Now everything is removed, it's time to cover the important things from the dusts or preventing the things from getting damaged. Here I am taking a normal A4 sheets and making it into appropriate pieces and placing it into the corresponding places. Now take small iron rod and heat it and make holes in the broken area. Make the hole so that this type of screws can fit in it. These type of screws can be found in old switchboard or sockets. Now fix the screws into the plastic cover like this. Now it's finished, you can see how sturdy it has become. You can also trim the leftover part from the screw.
And that's it about the topic. See you in the next video.